Well, catching a fish in the fish game by clicking on the shake button can be hard for some people, and it becomes frustrating when you misclick because you have to do the whole process again. So in this video, I'll show you a simple trick that will make the process of catching fish much easier and faster. So all you gotta do is press the ESC button, then go to the settings, scroll down and you will find an option called UI navigation toggle. Turn this option on. Now whenever you are fishing, instead of tapping the shake button, you have to press the slash button and the UI navigation starts showing any UI highlights that are on the screen. Then all you gotta do is press the down arrow and hit enter. Again down arrow and enter. Simply repeat this process until you catch a fish. Well, sometimes the UI navigation detects your inventory if the shake button is too far. So to fix this problem, click on this camera option before you start fishing. It will make your inventory or HUD invisible. Now if you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe.